In front of me is Xiaomi 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, you need to launch one of your apps that you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Then access it in the background, hold it and click on this icon with two rectangles. Now tap on Home button and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!